to easily set up QR codes in Go Highlevel. We're going to go over to Sites. And it's in Sites that you have access. You can build funnels, websites, e-commerce stores. And in this case, we're just going to focus on QR codes. We're going to go ahead and just right here, create QR code. And here are the different types of QR code that you can set up. You can set up one for payment, one that goes to an email or text message, a phone call, a review link, a website, obviously, even your WhatsApp. It can go to a funnel, a form, a survey, a quiz, profile card, a V card, or a business card. So, in this case, we're just going to go ahead and give it a name. And we're going to say website. Here is where it shows you what the preview is like. So once I've given it a name, I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Now all I have to do is paste and hit next. Here's where I select the colors. Okay, now our QR code is ready. We've got a link. I can copy it. I can download it as a PNG file, or I can download it as any one of these. I would always suggest PNG files because they are transparent background mostly. It's just like a JPEG, only higher resolution, better quality. Okay, so I hope you guys found this useful. Thanks for watching. If you're new to Go Highlevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Eats Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realeasefinder.com for more information.